The 25th letter, which is a letter somewhat like the English O. Somewhat like the English O. It's usually long, but sometimes short, depending on the word it's in. Listen carefully how I pronounce it. And it's written like this. O. O. Okay, again, it has 4 different forms. O. The first connecting O. Second connecting O. No, I shouldn't keep saying first and second, sorry. Front connecting and no, beginning form, like the same as alone form. Beginning form, front connecting form, and pause front connecting form, and alone form. Yes, let's make an example. So this O is like, in Ulai or your Latin script, we use this as O, and make an example for the beginning form. Or again, when we just say yeah, I think it's U. In Turkish it's he or she. Okay, on, number 10 in Uyghur, on. And for the front connecting O, polo. It's a name for a dish, rice dish. Orda, like court, palace or court. Oğul, boy. Okay, for the pause mid, like pause connecting, pause middle connecting, pause front connecting, pause front connecting, like so. Let's make an example. It's so hard to give an example for this, but I will think about it. I'll just make up a word so you will see why it's pause front connecting. Oh, shush. Oh, I don't need to make up. It is a word. Oxhash, like very similar. Oxhash is similar, but when you add oxhash, it means like very similar. I guess this kind of linguistic phenomenon is in Altai language. I guess in Korean, in Japanese, also in Turkish. Like it's, you emphasize like this, like oxhash. Oxhash means similar. Oxhash is like very similar. Togra, top togra, like 2 dots again, top, but this is, I'm not gonna give you the example for this. It's for the this one, this O, this, both O's are the front connecting O's. I just want to give you the example of like this emphasizing the first syllabus. So oxhash, pause front connecting, and alone form. So for alone form, okay, do we have it? Of course. Rosa is the Ramazan, and you say fasting, roz tutuş. Dora, it means medicine. So here you see it's an alone form because re, de, je, it cannot be connected with other, like as in front connecting, we learned it earlier. That's why like doska, blackboard. So yeah, and then we're going to learn the other one because it's similar. It's U in Ulai. It sounds like U. In English, do we have it? I think we do, like 2 U, U. It's a 26th letter in Uyghur, U. It's written similar to O, but it has little tail on little head, little tail on top of this. Again, it has four different forms. Beginning form and front connecting form, pause front connecting form, and the long form. So let's give an example for this one. Beginning form, when it's alone, just say u. It means he, she, it. Third pronoun, third person pronoun. Or let's make plural. They, ular. Lar is a suffix for plurals. You know, we all learned this already. U, we know this now. Le, a, lar, re, we already learned. Ular. Or bular. They, like, you know, those things. Bular. Okay. No, why do I do this? Yeah, it's correct. No, but it's not an example for the... Yeah, so beginning form. Sorry, for the beginning form. Uyghur. 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 So there are two U, the beginning form, and this U is the second, the front connecting U. Front connecting U, let's give an example for front connecting Uyghur. Same here, right? And pull, money. Everybody loves money. Pull. And bu, this. Bu. U. Bu. U. So he. Be, u, bu. Pe, u, le. Pull. And pause, middle connecting. Maybe I can say upuzun, very long. Upuzun. I don't know if it's correct, but I think, yeah, I just wanted to give you the example. U, so you say upuzun. So you see there are three different of U. The beginning form of U, pause, middle connecting, and pause, front connecting U, and alone form of U. Let's give an alone form of U an example. Duldul. Duldul. Duldul is a horse, like Pegasus, I think. Yeah. What else? Brun. Nose. So this first U is the front connecting, and then this U is the alone form of U. Okay, then my page is almost finished.